The country and the world have banded together to help the Ukrainians.
The Russian invasion has left hundreds of thousands without water, food, or electricity. Since the start of this conflict, more than 4.6 million people have fled Ukraine. That's according to the United Nations. KPRC2 is proud to partner with Texas Children's to help with relief efforts. The hospital is hosting a donation drive at specific locations until Saturday. And joining us now with more information on the event is Mike Miswa, the Global Health Director for Texas Children's Hospital. Mike, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Let's talk about this, the real need that Ukrainians are facing right now, and why what Texas Children's is organizing this week is so very important.
It's extremely important. We have a 20-year history in Constanța, Romania, treating vulnerable communities, and now one of those vulnerable communities are Ukrainian refugees pouring into that part of Romania.
And what types of items, Mike, are needed most? What are you asking folks to bring to your campuses this week?
Specifically, personal hygiene, feminine hygiene, dental hygiene products, bars of soap, bar deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrushes, dental floss, non-liquid types of hygiene items.
And Mike, many people know Texas Children's does great work here at home. The hospital does tremendous work around the world as well. Tell us about how medical staff is helping Ukrainian refugees there on the ground.
We have pediatricians and OB-GYNs on the ground seeing refugee patients, those that are pregnant, those that need pediatric care. Most of the refugees that we're seeing in our clinics, they're women with children. Their husbands or fathers have stayed behind to serve their country, and just a whole host of medical issues that we're trying to address.
And talk about some of the doctors, the nurses, and some of just the folks that are over there doing that work. I mean, is this something that they've volunteered for? Is this something that they've asked for? How does this work?
Yeah, right now we're using all of our local staff. So our physicians and OB-GYNs are Romanian nationals that work with our clinic. We have yet to put our local doctors and nurses on the ground. We have not had a need to do that yet. If that need arises, we'll address it appropriately.
Well, Mike, the supply drives we know are a great way to help out, but folks can also make a monetary donation. How can people contribute financially to this effort?
It's very easy. They can go to texaschildrens.org. Click the donate button for Ukraine refugees, and simple as that.
Wonderful.
Yes. Do you have a website, a place where folks can get more information as this continues?
Absolutely. TexasChildrens, one word, .org.
TexasChildrens.org, simple as that.
We appreciate the information. So many folks saying, hey, we would love to help. What can we do? So excellent work by your team. Mike Miswa with Texas Children's. We appreciate you joining us and providing this information, valuable resource. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you.